Over here, you can see that I am now putting the end of my regular gel gloss into a smaller container. I figured if I just empty out the rest of the gel into a smaller container, I can let go of the bigger pail. I've had this gel now for 10 years. It is the best way to save, buying big and in bulk. Yesterday was a good day. Got to organize and incorporate some brushes that I've loaned to my dad, and also found many objects that are interspersed with all of the paint brushes. So here are the Let Go pile. All of that's going. These are maybe to stay if I can restore them. Some are broken, but easily repaired. Can just put a glue in there and should be okay, good to go. Others just need to be cleaned really well. Fine point brushes, some tools, short handle brushes, long acrylic brushes, oils. These are the Bristol kinds. And then here are some of my rosemary brushes, my favorite brushes for oil. This here are brushes from Michaels that just do quick jobs, nothing too serious. Here are bigger brushes for wider strokes. These are my new rosemary brushes for plein air. Haven't opened them yet. Watercolor brushes, Chinese brushes. And these are staining brushes here, all organized. And tools here with screwdrivers, pens, pliers, scissors, toothbrush for special effects. Yeah, so that's kind of neat. I'm all organized. I'm gonna just put them back up on the shelf and enjoy the day.